So hey guys, welcome back to Placements Ready. In this video we will be solving the problem remove duplicates from a sorted linked list. So we are given a single linked list consisting of n nodes. The task is to remove duplicate nodes with duplicate values from the given list if it exists. We don't have to use any extra space. The nodes are arranged in a sorted way. For example, if you see here, the linked list is 2, 2, 4, 5. Since 2 has already occurred, so we will not be taking this 2 into account and our answer is going to be 2, 4, 5. Similarly, for this linked list, since 2 has already occurred, so we will be ignoring these 2's and our output is going to be a single 2. Okay, so I hope you have understood the problem. Let's discuss the solution in more detail. So let's say our linked list is like this. So there can be many ways. One is that you can store the values in a map, okay, and we can take a single element only and make a new linked list, okay. But in the question, we don't have to use any extra space. So what we can do, as you know, in most of the linked list problems, we use a temporary pointer in order to solve our problem. So temporary pointer will be initially pointing to the head of the linked list, okay, and head is the pointer which points to the first element of the linked list, okay. So here what will happen, we will compare these two, okay. So temp is pointing to this, so we can get this node by temp next, okay. We can compare the data of these two. If these two are equal, what we will do, we will point temp next, okay, to the next of the temp next. So we will break this connection, we will point 2 to this. Now we will move forward. So this node has not been taken into our account. So our new linked list is like this. Okay. Now we will compare the data of these two nodes, that is 4 and 5. Since these two are unequal, what we can do, we can simply assign temp to its next node. So temp will be pointing to this, okay. And till when we have to continue this, while we have temp and temp next, because we need at least two elements to compare the data, right? So when these two are existing, till then only we will be continuing our loop, and after that we will stop, okay. Now in this way we are using only a O of n time in worst case, and the space complexity here is going to be big O of 1 only, because we are simply using a temporary node, okay. So I hope you have understood the approach. So let's see the code, okay. So here what I have done, I have simply taken a temporary pointer which will be pointing to the head of the linked list, while temp and temp arrow next, means while temp is not equal to null and temp arrow next is not equal to null, okay. So this is a short way of writing that. If the temp's data is equal to temp arrow next arrow data, means both the datas are equal, what we will do, we will assign temp next to temp next next, okay. Means let's say 2 to 4 5, so we will assign the 2's next to this 2's next, which is 4, okay. Similarly, if the data are not equal, we will simply assign the next pointer to the temp, okay. So temp will move one step forward, and in the end we can return our head. So I hope you have understood the solution. If you have understood it, write down in the comment that I have understood it. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share among your friends, okay. Let's meet in another problem of the day video where I will be taking up some another interesting problem, okay. Thanks for watching guys, keep learning.